So why selling high ticket affiliate marketing product is the best way for you to become profitable in your online business. Now, for a lot of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Jostel Breslau Guare Mabiala. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I help average people just like yourself make money online, build an online business, work from home, okay, have financial freedom, time freedom, or location freedom. Or maybe you work in a 9-to-5 job and you're looking to quit that job so you can live life on your own term. I'm the guy for you. So I help you have that financial freedom, that time freedom, earn passive income specifically with affiliate marketing. Okay, I don't do MLM, I don't do multi-level marketing, I don't do drop shipping. If you're looking for a way to make money online with these different ways, I don't do that. Okay, you can go find somebody else. I'm not the guy for you. For me, I'm going to teach you affiliate marketing specifically. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make money online, but specifically with affiliate marketing. Now, for a lot of you guys who might not know what affiliate marketing is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically a process of you earning a commission, meaning money for selling other people's stuff, other people's product. Okay, this could be companies like Amazon, Best Buy, JCPenney, Staple, Coca-Cola, Adidas, Sephora. You partner with these companies, and all you do as the affiliate, you just promote their product. That's it. You connect them with a customer. You connect a company with a customer, and whenever the customer buys any of these companies' product, and you're the one who refer that customer to any of these brands, any of these companies are going to compensate you. They're going to pay you a commission as an affiliate, and that's what affiliate marketing is. It's a simple side hustle. It's a simple business model. You don't need to worry about customer service. You don't need to worry about shipping. You don't need to worry about inventory. It's literally that simple. Now, why do I believe that selling a high ticket affiliate marketing product is the best way for you to be profitable in your online business? The reason why I believe that, okay, is because you can hit your income goal as fast as possible. Okay, because guys, look, if you're getting paid, let's say like $2,000, okay, in affiliate commission, which is high ticket, because high ticket affiliate marketing is when you get paid between $1,000 plus as an affiliate. Low ticket affiliate marketing is when you're getting paid like $20, $9, $2, but high ticket is when you're getting paid like big bucks, like $1,000, $2,000. So if you partner with a company, okay, and you sell a product and they might pay you like over $1,000, $2,000, that's high ticket affiliate marketing. So hitting your income goal is fast. Because think about this. If you, let's say you have an income goal every single month, and your income goal is, let's say, $20,000. Okay, that's how much you want to make every single month. Now, let's say you're getting paid as an affiliate $2,000. How many people do you need to sell to, okay, to be able to hit that $20,000 a month goal? You only need about 10 people, because you're getting paid $2,000. So 2,000 times 10 people, you're gonna hit your income goal as fast as possible. So you don't need to sell to too many people to be able to hit that income goal as fast as possible. Does that make sense? That's the beauty about high ticket affiliate marketing. Because if you would have go low ticket, okay, and let's say you're getting paid like $20 or $20 per customer, oh my goodness, it's gonna take you a long time that's a lot of traffic. You're gonna need to have a lot of traffic to be able to even hit that income goal. So if your income goal is $20,000, low ticket is gonna take you a way long time to be able to hit that income goal. Does that make sense? So that's why I believe selling high ticket affiliate marketing is the best way if you really want to be profitable in your online business. Okay, I love you guys. I'm about to leave the video now. If you are interested in building an online business, you want to start a work from home business, you've never started a business before, you want to build a home-based business, just go down below to the link that you see down below. Get instant access to my #1 recommended way that you can start making a full-time income online. If you're not interested, no hard feeling, but if you are interested, the link is down below. I love you guys so much. See you later.